name is Abdiel, and welcome to Monster Morgue. In today's build, we're gonna be building these. I really hope you enjoy this video.
For a couple of months, I've been building a lot of corpse play, and I don't have place to put them. So I decided to make a stand for my helmets or mask and part of my vest. So this is the idea I had. I started with a hanger and I traced it on a piece of wood. The list of materials and measurements, I'm going to put it in the first comment or in the description. There's a couple of ways you can do this. This is the way I did it. I'm mostly gonna use some nails, but you can also use some screw. It's very important, the wood glue. The decorative nails are optional. So let's start. I'm gonna start with the part that looks like a handle, and the long one, I believe is 1 inch by 10 long. We start by putting some wood glue. I'm clamping it, but I'm gonna put some nails. Now we're gonna take the 2 pieces of wood of 2.5 inch by 10 inches, and we're gonna put it in the part of the wood that is 1 inch by 11 inch. We're also gonna put some wood glue as shown. Eventually, I'm also gonna put some nails from the other side, just waiting for the glue to dry. It's time to put the wood in the other side. This one is 7.5 inch by 3.5 inch. This is the base and support of all the structure. I put some nails and glue. It should look like a strange airplane. Now, we're gonna take the one that measures 3 inches by 3 inches and put it in the back of the support as shown. So we're almost finished. In the top part, we're gonna put the one that measures 2 inches by 2 inches. I'm also putting some glue, and this time I'm just gonna put a nail in the center. Now I'm using the sander just to sand wherever the place I left some bumps, but majorly in the nail parts. Wherever there's a nail, I'm polishing it. Polishing it? Well, you know what I mean. It's time for the paint. I'm just using some black acrylic paint. I'm gonna give it 2 coats of it. Then I'm gonna let it like that, and I'm gonna put some logo that I made with some beer can in the front. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram as Abdiel Grave or Facebook as Abdiel Von Grave. I have noticed that I'm over 500 followers. Wow. Thanks a lot, you guys. It means a lot. The best part of this video is your comment, your like, and your subscription. Remember to hit that bell button. So I'm gonna put a little logo in the front. I made this with a beer can, and I'm gonna use that nails I show you in the first, and I'm gonna put them there. Now in the back part of the support, in the top part, I'm gonna put the bowl. I'm using some I can use some double tape, but I'm gonna make some holes and put some nails too. And in the back part, I made 2 holes and put 2 screws on it. Let's put this on the wall and see how it looks. Let me know what you think.
And remember, if you liked the video, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and good night.